Hello and welcome to Sayyid Raza TechCraft and welcome to ID Fundamentals. In this course, we will learn the basic concepts of information technology, which is also known as IT. Whether you are a student, a professional, or simply curious about technology, this course is designed for complete beginners. Now let's look at what is information technology. Information technology refers to the use of computer, software, networks, and other technologies to store, process, and share information. It helps individuals and organizations manage data and perform tasks more efficiently. Now, let's see why information technology is important. Information technology helps improve communication and collaboration. It communicates, it stores information, it improves productivity, and provide better services. Without IT, many of the technologies we use every day would not exist. Now let's discuss some everyday uses of information technologies. So when we send emails, use social media, shop online, or even watch videos, even this video you are watching right now, you are using an information technology network. So we attend online classes, we use information technology. Information technology is everywhere in our life. IT makes our lives more connected and more convenient. There are many areas within information technologies. Some of the most popular fields including technical support, networking, cybersecurity, software development, cloud computing, and database management. And don't worry, we'll discuss each and every one of them in more details in upcoming videos. Each field offer unique career opportunities. So it's very useful to learn the information technology and understand the basics of it. Then you can go for any of these careers as a specialty. IT professionals are in demand around the world. Popular career paths includes IT support specialist, network administrator, cybersecurity analyst, software developer, cloud engineer, and a system administrator, just to name few. Now let's look at some of the important skills needed to start a career in information technology. So you need a basic computer knowledge, a good problem solving ability, communication skills, and willingness to learn because technology evolves all the time. So it's very important to be really hands on and really willing to learn the new concepts that emerging every single day. Technology changes quickly, so continuous learning is important. Let's quickly review what we learned today. IT is the use of technology to manage and share information. It is an important part of modern day life and offers many exciting career opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson where you will learn more about computer basics. Thank you for watching. If it helps, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.